So the first thing you need to do, you need to take this, which is the windshield wiper fluid hose, and put it underneath. There's just a couple little clips right here you gotta lift up. Then this bolt right here next to the headlight bolt, take that one off with a 10mm socket. And put one of the red line tuning brackets. And tighten it back up. One little trick I found out about the bracket that's on the hood, just in case it moves, grab a little piece of tape, just mark where the bracket is. Even though there's enough paint right there, so you should know, just in case. I like doing that. Then take your other red line tuning bracket, and this one faces out. Tighten them back up. Make sure it's all lined up with your tape lines. And tighten it all the way up. And repeat on the driver's side. So, last step, installing the actual hood prop. The fatter end goes up top. It just snaps in. And then skinny end goes on the bottom. So, once again, put fat side in up top. Just snap it in. Make sure it's all good. And then put the skinny side in. So the very last thing you do when it's all connected, just gotta take the prop rod off. Just gotta wiggle it around and pop it right out. And as you can tell, when you open it up, it's got a nice little, gets to the top and it slows down. Very nice. Right, one real quick thing. Got the agency power antenna. They say it doesn't affect the radio at all, so we'll see about that. But all you do, unscrew the old one. Right there, there's the difference. And you screw the new one in. There it is.